Hey everyone, it's Vinnie here from Festool and I'm with the guys in Tool Depot. I'm just going to give you a quick run through on the Planex 2. This is the new Planex launched last year, and as you'll see, the first thing you'll notice is it comes in the new XXL sustainers. These are really handy for transportation. They'll click together with your other sustainers, they'll go on your sys carts, they'll go on top of your extractor. So the sander itself, it comes in 3 parts. The head of the machine, we'll have a look at that closer in a minute, and then you get a single extension arm. You can add a second extension if you need to, and then we also have the handle or motor section. So it looks quite different to the previous model, and just to connect the 2 pieces together, so we'll do it in the short version. The 2 pieces just slot together and you'll hear a click when they do, and they are actually locked at this point. So if I sit it down, it will not fall off. But to lock it completely, we rotate this around here. And likewise then, to disconnect, we click it open. It's still locked, but to completely open it, we pull down the lever and we can clip apart. So clip it together. So working from the back, we have a couple of buttons. We have our on-off switch, we have our light switch, and we'll have a closer look at that again in a second. And we've our Bluetooth connectivity switch. We also have our variable speed. Here we have where we connect our dust extractor hose, and this locks that hose in position. Going to the head of the machine, we now have if you can see that, Lauren, we have a variable suction here. So if we're working on walls, we leave the setting over to the right hand side, and if we're working on ceilings, we come across to the left hand side. The idea of that is it varies the vacuum, and the vacuum, if working overhead, will allow you to actually balance it, and it'll take the weight of the machine and hold itself. So from there, you're only guiding it left and right. You'll notice as well, when I'm holding the machine, it has a T-handle here on the base. Really easy for holding the machine, gives you great grip and great balance. So there is another little feature comes in the box as well. This guy here, he pops in to the side of the handle, left or right. Your hose clips in around it, and you'll find when the hose comes down and clips around there, the hose is held away from your hand, so it's not butting up against your hand as you're working. So that's a quick run through on the Planex 2, but one of the main features and benefits is up here. This is the new light strip. It's a complete ring of LEDs that go around the head of the machine, and it illuminates where you're working. It'll show you any blemish that you need to rework. So the Planex 2 from Festool, available here in Tool Depot. Thank you.